They don't want you to watch this. Why? Because in the next 120 seconds, I am going to destroy the illusion of your free will. You think you chose to click on this video? Wrong. The algorithm knew you would. It knows your weaknesses better than you do. It knows why you fail every single time you try to start. The war isn't coming. The war is inside your skull. And you are losing. Subject 1. The hijack. Every scroll, every notification is a surgical strike on your dopamine receptors. You feel tired. Why? You feel unmotivated. Why? Because your brain is being flooded with cheap rewards for doing nothing. You are becoming a spectator in your own life. While you consume, they build. While you distract yourself, they own the future. Is this the life you wanted? I didn't think so. Subject 2. The cost. In 2026, focus is the only currency that matters. If you can't control your attention, you can't control your bank account. It's that simple. The digital poor will spend their lives paying with their time, while the focused elite collect the secret to wealth. It's not a crypto coin. It's not a side hustle. It's neural sovereignty. The ability to say no to the screen and yes to the work. I could give you the 3 steps to fix this right now, but would you even listen? Probably not. You'd probably scroll to the next video in 10 seconds. But for the 0.1% who are still here, the ones who actually want to escape the matrix, the solution isn't what you think. It's not about working harder. It's about rewiring. I have developed a protocol, a way to take back your mind and your future. Are you ready to be unfiltered? Or will you keep scrolling until you disappear? The choice is yours. For now.